Step back, lunge it down, stepping it up, okay? Step back, stepping up. And if you had to choose one side to hold it to, you'd want to hold this on the inside of your knee. So holding it here, and up, and up. So that would be your step back lunge with the resistance band. So side to side, so you would go like this, you would go stepping back from one side, and then out to the other side. Back, out, back, out. There's your side to side lunge using your resistance band. All right, so we've got all 10 exercises using bands, resistant bands.